Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the bee. Now I'm sure you guys have noticed out on your flowers and in your yards that there's busy bumblebees roaming around and pollinating plants, and they're really fun to watch. You probably want to stay away from them because you don't want to get stung, but they're kind of neat to watch. They crawl all over the flowers and it's neat. I like to look at them, but I do not want to get stung. So you kind of stay back, don't swat at them. But bees are important. Bees are what is one thing that helps keep our plants healthy. So you're gonna go over here and read.
Busy, buzzy bees. What keeps bees so busy? Bees are busy. Bees are busy eating. They get food from flowers. Bees eat pollen and nectar. Bees are busy flying. They fly home to their hive. Bees are busy working. They make honey together.
Here, I think there's a little video about bees making honey. Let's see if it's a quick clip or, yep. It's in a beehive. Look at all those little honey combs that they're doing. Wow, look at all that. Very busy. Do you guys like honey? I like to put honey on salmon sometimes or in my tea. Honey is good. It helps your allergies. If you get like a local honey, it's good for you.
Bees are busy buzzing. The sound is their wings moving fast. Don't bug the busy bees, Bear. Most bees won't sting if you don't bother them. Move and learn. Let's buzz like busy little bees buzzing all around. Buzz high, buzz low, buzz fast, buzz slow. And now let's sit back down.
Maybe you guys can find some bee songs on YouTube. There's the one song, I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. That's a fun song. You could probably find that one. I bet your moms and dads could help you find other bee songs too. So let's see, we're gonna go to the next page. An insect is an animal. It has 3 body parts and 6 legs. Some insects have wings. Now listen to that. Not all insects have wings, just some of them. But they all will have 3 body parts and they all will have 6 legs. A bee is an insect. So let's get closer. Okay, here's our bee, and here's all its legs. Do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A bee has 6 legs. Now, it wants us to look down here, count the legs on each critter below. Then we have to decide, is it an insect or is it not an insect? Let's look. So first we have a snail. Now remember, a bee has 3 body parts and 6 legs. I don't see any legs on this snail. A snail is not an insect. let's look at the ladybug. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. Let's see, does it have 3 body parts? 1, 2, 3. It does have 3 body parts. A ladybug is an insect. It is the same. Oh, here's a worm. Let's see, do you see any legs on the worm? I do not see any legs. It is not an insect. Let's look at a couple more. Here's a spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That has more legs than an insect. It is not an insect. Now, let's see. Some things have 6 legs, but they're not insects. Like this crab here. Oh no, the crab doesn't have 6 legs. Miss Carolyn can't count. But here's an ant, 3 body parts and 6 legs. The ant is also an insect. So that's how we can identify insects. Let's go back and
Busy, buzzy bees.
we're gonna watch a little video.
Bees. It's a warm spring day, and a loud buzzing noise is coming from the yard. Is it a lawnmower? No, it's a colony of bees. A colony is a large group of bees that live together. There can be as many as 80,000 bees in a colony. All the bees cooperate to make the colony work. Different bees have different jobs to do. The queen is bigger than all the other bees. Her job is to lay all the eggs for the colony. Other bees bring her food and take care of her. The other bees have important jobs too. The drones are male bees. They are the fathers. And the worker bees are female. They have many jobs. They build the hive where the whole colony lives. They also protect the hive by using their sharp stingers to attack enemies who get too close. Some worker bees are nurse bees. Bee eggs hatch into larvae, which are young bees. The nurse bees feed and take care of the larvae. But that's not all workers do. Some worker bees get food for the hive. They fly to flowers and collect pollen. Pollen is dust made inside flowers. They also get nectar, which is the sweet liquid inside flowers. The bees store the nectar in a pouch called a honey stomach. The workers fly back to the hive with the pollen and nectar. The bees in the hive eat the pollen, and the workers spit the nectar into the cells of the hive. Other worker bees fan their wings over the cells, blowing air onto the nectar. Over time, the nectar changes from a thin liquid into a thicker honey. Nurse bees feed some of the honey to the larvae, but they save a lot of it. The bees cover each honey-filled cell with a wax cap to protect it. In winter, it's too cold to go out looking for food. So the bees stay warm in the hive and eat honey all winter long. You can enjoy the sweet honey from a beehive too. People called beekeepers take care of hives and collect extra honey the bees make. It takes hard work and cooperation, but honeybees make their hive a sweet place to live.
one, build an insect.
Build an insect.
So now
Pick a
remember,
head.
an insect has 3 parts to its body. So the first part we need is a head. Okay, I will pick this one.
Pick a thorax.
The thorax is that middle part of the insect. I like that one.
Pick an abdomen.
An abdomen, that would be like from here down on the, let's pick that one.
Pick legs.
Okay, now remember, we need 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have our 3 body parts and we have our 6 legs.
Pick antennas. Pick wings or no wings.
I think we'll have wings since we just learned about flying insects like bees. Let's pick some pretty pink ones.
Now, feed your insect. Click on its lunch.
What would an insect eat? Now, sometimes at our picnics we might see flies kind of flying around our hot dogs. I guess if we left a donut outside, we might see a fly kind of around our donut. But what we really want insects to eat are the leaves and the flowers, not our lunch or our breakfast. We're gonna give them a leaf. Very cool. All right. So there you have it, guys. That is our insects. Remember, the insects have 3 body parts, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings and some insects do not. So get outside, start looking for some insects and see if maybe you can catch some to check out. Have a great day. Bye.